Well, thank you, Sew Arounder. The mask is oriented where the pleats are going down, which means that we are going to be starting at the bottom. If the pleats are pointing upwards, that means you're starting in the right place. You're going to start in that corner, and again, with about a 1/4 inch seam along that side, you're going to slowly go over those pleats, securing them. If you want to go forward, backwards a little bit, knock yourself out, but it's not absolutely necessary. And when you reach the corner, you're going to pivot, and you are now on the top edge. And so over there, we're going to be looking for a 3/8 to about a 1/2 inch seam going across, because that's where the wire is going to get inserted. Once you pivot again and you're working down the pleats again, you're working from the top of the mask to the bottom of the mask. You've just got that 1/4 inch or so. You could even do 3/8, whatever you want to do, along the side, and then you're just going to buzz along the bottom. It's going to be like, come on home, lassie. There you go, all the way done. So once again, you're going to start at what we would know as the bottom because the pleats are pointing upwards. You go across about a 1/2 inch, 3/8 across the top. You come back down your pleats along the side, and then come on home with that bottom part. I think I'm going to do it one last time for you. You're just going to go, and you can just see how I start whipping off those paper clips. Just get rid of them. Going across wide enough for the wire to be inserted in there, rotating, working your way around, and along the bottom. I think you got it. Thanks so much.